What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And today's video is not about a review, it's all about showing you how you can install the Neos smart camera system outdoors. I reviewed this Neos smart camera system last month on my channel. Link is available in the video description. Now the reason I like this camera is all about its features, starting with the full HD 1080p recording, live stream, motion detection, night vision, cloud recording, and 10x digital zoom. But that's not it. The size was very important as well. This camera is fantastic for the night vision as well as its size, and it looks fantastic like a cube. If you put it on a side, it matches the decoration of your house if you're using it indoors. I also like the performance of this camera as well. Working is an indoor, but I wanted to use it outdoor, which is a bit difficult to do that because you have to have a waterproof casing to protect it from the weather. So to make this camera outdoor compatible and waterproof, I had to use an housing which I bought from Amazon. I will leave the link in the video description for you. Let me show you all the bits and pieces which came with the housing itself. As a one camera cover, one mounting bracket with couple of screws, one screwdriver, couple of screws to secure the camera within the camera compartment, and a one gift card from seller and a thank you note with a bit of warranty information. While we don't have any instructions available in the packaging how you're going to install this camera into the box, but no need to worry about it. I'm sure it's a very easy job to do so. Let's get it done with it, and we're going to install this camera outdoor and we're going to look into its performance as well. Let's first install the micro USB port. Okay, right in there, very easy, and the camera goes right in there, no problem. That's good actually. It's not bad actually. It's doddle, looks easy. Okay, that's not bad. Once camera is installed and secured inside the compartment, let's go ahead and install the mounting bracket, which will be just simply threaded up. There we go. Once you've done that, just nip it up like that if you want to, or if you don't want to use this part, it's all up to your own choice as well. So there we go. Now our Neo smart camera is fully compatible to go outdoors. Now the good thing about this bracket is it's so flexible. You can go anywhere you want it. You can also loosen up here. There we go. You can, once you fix the position, simply twist it up and it will lock it. Simple as that. That's how good it looks, as you can see by the housing as well. So let's go ahead and install this Neos smart camera outside and have a look into its day and night performance. Now to power up this whole camera system, you need a 5-volt adapter. I would not wanted to put another one actually around my house and outdoors. So what I've done actually, I used a converter of 12 volt to 5 volt. I will leave a link in the video description and how I botched it all up as well. It's just a basic setup just to prove the point that this camera can work outdoors without any problems. So here we have the camera outside in its new housing. Well, in terms of output, whereas the daytime recording of this camera is fantastic. Well, it has been a couple of days since I installed this Neos camera outside, and it's been performing way better than my expectation. The performance of housing is fantastic. So far, no glitch whatsoever or no compromise of the water or anything going into the camera. The reason I can tell you that because it was 2 days ago, it was raining like anything. Let me show you a couple of its footages. As you can see that it also notified me in terms of motion detection as well as the sound detection. So let's suppose this is the one. This is while it was raining. Actually, you can see that a car came in front, it detected motion and send me notification as well, and record it on the SD card too. Now keep going that way. I'm going to show you some of the videos. Actually, this is a noise thing. You see that? Let's have a look at some of the night recorded footages of this camera. As you can see, there's a white patch in the middle that is coming from my auto tracking camera. Actually, it's like auto tracker, so it's found something, is trying to track it down, so it's moving here and there. You will see that in all the images. Actually, that is the biggest problem I found. So I'm just standing here, but auto tracking camera captured me, and that's what is, that's why it's too bright, because the infrared is focusing on me here. So right, whenever Neo's camera was detecting any kind of a motion or any kind of sound noise, it was keep bugging me up, which I don't like at all. So I wanted to be recording all the time, and if stuff like that, I'm okay with it. Just don't notify me, keep recording in the background. That would be great. Well, now to conclude, to be honest with you, the performance of the camera is fantastic. You can compare it with all high-end devices. Now, having this cover around it to make it weatherproof gave me another option, actually, that there's no need to spend hell of a money to buy the camera which can go outdoors. This camera is performing well, better than my expectation, and that's what I want. I would highly recommend a system like that, to be honest with you, if you are into it. Let me know in the comment section below that what you think about my video. Do you think so it's informative to you? I will also leave you the links in the video description for a couple of more of these housing which you can try if you are interested in. So on that note, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.